Hi, welcome back friends. Today I'm planning to make and share the recipe of pepper chicken masala. I found this unique masala which I have never tried before. It's by Aachi and it's, have a look. It's India's #1 masala brand. I found it in the grocery store where I usually go to. This was a new masala over there, the spice mix. So let's give it a try. Over here, the ingredients which I have: 1.5 medium sliced onion, 1 large tomato, or if you don't have large, then 2 medium tomatoes chopped, cut into small pieces. I have 10 pieces of chicken leg and thighs. I'll have half cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using whole milk yogurt to marinate first of all the chicken pieces. So let's get started. I'll be using only 1.5 tablespoon of yogurt to marinate it with 1.5 tablespoon of this pepper chicken masala. So I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of this one, and then a half tablespoon of the spice mix. I'll be using 1 tablespoon and a half to marinate this chicken. And while I was cutting, you can have a look. I made some deep cuts in the chicken pieces so that the masala or the marinade can just kind of stays in there and gets deep into the chicken for a greater flavorful curry. So over here, I have marinated these pieces very nicely and I'll leave it on the countertop just like this for half an hour. Let's start to slightly brown the onion, sliced onion, into half a cup of oil. So half a cup of oil, turn on the flame, and I'm going to add this and fry them until light golden brown. So I just moved for a second and this is how dark brown the onion turned out. I'm going to take it out and blend it with the tomato, which is chopped into small pieces, and make a puree out of it. I have added the fried onions and the tomato and going to add 2 tablespoons of water to make a puree out of it. So adding these pieces to the same oil carefully. So for this one, we have to keep frying them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they change their color on medium-high flame. So over here on medium-high, have a look how when I'm changing these pieces, how the color has started to change. There. It's still on medium-high flame. Let's fry the other side for 2 to 3 more minutes. So exactly at this point, both the sides of the chicken pieces, they look quite fried and they have changed their color also. So at this point, I'm going to add the tomato and the onion puree to it. There it comes. Nice, yummy. Okay, we have to increase the flame from medium high to high for 1 to 2 minutes. This is the point where you can check if you and your family will need more spice mix, the pepper chicken masala. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna keep it a little mild because I don't want it too spicy. So this is the right point where you can figure it out to add more. So the lid is going on top of it, and we have to just lower down the flame to medium high. So after 10 to 12 minutes, have a look here. I tasted it and I found the need to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder because otherwise it was very bland. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it along with this, and I'm going to increase the flame so the red chili powder which we have added and the lemon juice can be cooked through. Otherwise, as the masala says that it's pepper chicken masala or the spice, it's exactly what it is, but I didn't find it spicy at all. So just to give it a kick, I added half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So now on high flame, we have to cook it for 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. So let's cook it for 2 more minutes. So have a look. Wow. It tastes amazing after adding the lemon juice and the red chili powder. I think that was missing in the spices. So now I'm going to turn off the flame. The chicken is well cooked and the masala looks great too. So I'm going to take it out. So it's ready and I'm going to dish it out. Nice. So guys, this is the final look and this is optional. I will like to add some green coriander on top of it just to give it some nice color. Just like this. So friends, this is the final look of the pepper chicken masala. I would say lemon pepper chicken, as I have added the lemon to it too. So have a look. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a try and enjoy it with your family. Share the recipe with your friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, take good care, stay well, keep safe and have a safe weekend. Goodbye.